Yes, 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 it's Coach Dave, Wolfpack 33. Workout of the day, 220910. Welcome. If this is your first time, thanks for training with us. We give away our warm-ups, our points of performance, and our daily workout of the days. And we have a support community. Today's warm-up, 1 inchworm. Walk out on your hands, do a push-up, walk your hands back, 1 inchworm. 5 air squats. Heels at the hips break and go back. You're going down to parallel and you're breathing at the top. Then 10 jumping jacks. If you have any kind of mobility issue, any limitations, go easy on your jumping jacks. You can step side to side instead of jump. And then this round 2, we're adding 1 extra inchworm each time. We're only doing this for 3 minutes. It's to lubricate the joints, warm up the muscles, get the nervous system ready for the WOD. If you're brand new, WOD stands for Workout of the Day. If this is your first time, you gotta fight. And if you don't know that reference, you gotta watch Fight Club. We're gonna have fun today. We're gonna get sweaty. It's a good workout. I'm gonna go through it in a second here. Just do your warm up. If you got a buddy over, you can chit chat, or you can get focused and down to work. Walk out on the inchworm. Retract the scapula shoulder blades and then do your best push-up. Got to go from your knees, no problem. If you have no push-up, you can go to plank. From your plank, you can touch right hand to left shoulder, left hand to right shoulder, what they call shoulder taps. But let's get the warm-up going. 5 air squats to get the glutes, the hamstrings, the quads, the calves. We're going to be using those today in the workout. Today's workout is a doozy. It's 7 minutes AMRAP, as many rounds as possible. We're doing 14 what they call devil presses, or what they call a brute force bag burpee bag. We'll go through those points of performance, break it all down for the beginners, and then we're doing 21 lateral hops. All right, let's get through this last round of inchworms. I think we're on 4s now. Today you're doing the best you can with what you got. If you have a sandbag, great. If you don't, send me a message and say, Dave, where do I get a brute force sandbag? I'll hook you up. You could use a backpack full of books. You could use 1 dumbbell, 2 dumbbells, even a kettlebell, whatever you got today. I love the sandbag. It's it's an odd object. It's got balance, handles, all kinds of fun stuff. Tons of workout. Working out here at the Airbnb in Mexico. 7:30 in the morning, and it's already in the low 30s. Life in the tropics. If you're not a member of our private coaching community, Wolfpack 33, we got a cool Facebook group, weekly videos, workouts. Send me a message and say, Dave, how do I get into Wolfpack? And I'll send you the invite link. All right, we're setting the Smart WOD timer on the phone to 7 minutes. I like to go on an EMOM so I get a beep every 30 seconds. Now, if you have 1 dumbbell, you're going to hold it and say your right hand. You're carefully going to go down, put it on the floor, and do this offset burpee all the way flat to the floor. Step up or jump up. Clean it and press it or snatch it. If you have 2 dumbbells, you're going to do a double dumbbell burpee all the way to the floor, step or jump up, clean it, jerk it, or press it overhead. So that's your devil press. It's a burpee into an overhead press. Now with the sandbag, you're going to do the same burpee, step or jump back, chest touches the bag, clean it and press it overhead, or do a snatch, depending on your shoulders and the weight. I got about 39 pounds. I don't have a scale here. Burpee, step or jump in. That time I did a full deadlift and just went from the hang clean. So you can modify this to whatever your mobility and skills will give you. We're doing 14 of these. So go ahead, if you got a dumbbell, a bag, whatever you got, check safety. Did you see? I looked where my feet were. I don't want to hit my feet into a wall. So I've picked a line on the floor, and that's where my bag's going to hang out. Now, the laterals. The safest is just step, 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 step. If you got that, then you're going to step over your dumbbell or over your bag. Step, step. Safety first. If you got that, then we're going to do a 1 foot jump, jump. You got that, a 2 foot takeoff, 2 foot landing. All right. And then heel to bum is the most intense, and it's the fastest. So the heels to bum is your intermediate to advanced. I'm just going to go 2 foot takeoff, 2 foot landing today. If I get gassed, I'll do a 1 foot. But I don't know. I haven't done these devil press, sandbag burpees in over a year. I remember them hitting really hard. So it's 7 minutes, 14 devil press, 21 lateral hops, as many rounds as possible. Hopefully your heart rate is elevated, your joints are lubricated. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go. There you go. You want to keep your sandbag, your dumbbell close to your body and use your glutes to drive the weight overhead. Try to save your shoulders and triceps because the burpee, getting up from that burpee is going to fry your triceps. So there was 3 reps. What do we think, Coach Dave? Oh yeah, they're as bad as we remember. What's your advice, Coach Dave? Breathe at the top. Don't hang out in the bottom position. And if you need an extra rest or breath in between, just let go of your weights at the bottom and just stand up and clear your lungs. Just joining the video midstream, we're doing a 7-minute AMRAP, 14 devil press with a dumbbell or a sandbag, then 21 lateral hops over your weight. I caught an extra breath there. Did you see it? Depending how full your bag is, if you watch, I kind of have to modify my hand position and then grab the handles. That's all the fun and the variety of the odd object. If you got a dumbbell, one dumbbell, you're switching hands. I mean, don't do all. If you want one big strong arm and one weak arm, just do them all on one side, right? All right, I got through my 14. Now I'm on my laterals. I'm just taking an extra millisecond to swing my arms here. I'm using momentum, but it's giving me that extra chance to recover my breathing. If you're intermediate to advanced, you can just go as fast as you want to go. Safety first. I got a hard floor here and a slippery floor on tiles and a wall to my left. Just see, I did a double there. I'll take it. Oh. So that double jump or triple jump, if you don't take that extra rest, that's the most intense version that I'm going to do today. All right, round 2. 14 double press, burpee, clean, and jerker press. You can also do snatches if you got snatches, but today clean and jerks are working. I'm going to use those. If you've been training with me for some time, you know I'm a quad dominant athlete. So I'm trying to catch the clean in a 1/4 squat by driving my hips back so my glutes and hamstrings are engaged as opposed to my quads. See, I stepped back there. So the jump back is a little bit faster but more demanding on the core, and it doesn't really gain me any time. So I'm doing step back, step in, clean, catch, press. And that's just experience. I've been doing this for enough years that I can modify my burpee mid-set and know what I need to do to move at my most efficient. Remember, smooth is fast. You can go fast, but can you go for the whole 7 minutes at a controlled pace? So do your best. past halfway, so just keep going. No towel, no water, no shoelaces, no extra breaks for Coach Dave. If you get tired, catch an extra breath. Breathing is not optional, and in fact, controlled breathing, can help you go much faster. If you're not a member of our newsletter yet, I publish a weekly newsletter full of free workouts, eating tips, menu planning, sharing questions from our members so you get more insights. The newsletter is great. It's completely free. Plus it includes an eating weight loss mini class, which is fun. You can go to wolfpack33.com, sign up. It's free. It emails you. No spam, and you can quit it at any time. All right, here we go. Second round of lateral hops. How you doing at home? Oh, there you go. Big double breath. Good. Recover at the halfway point. There we go. Double jump. Nice, Coach Dave. Double jump. And we're done. All right. What time? Check the time. Under a minute. Let's go all the way to the finish line. All right. 2 deep breaths, hands, and let's go. No thinking. Nothing to it but to do it. There's 1. Time's a ticking. Tick-tock, let's go. Whatever you're going to do it fast. 2. There was a moment in the first round when I thought, I can get 3 rounds. Firm. This got tough in a hurry. Good. Just doing a check on the glutes. You still working glutes? Yep, glutes are engaged. What's that, 4 or 5? Regrip, 2 breaths and go. Under 30 seconds. Let's go. Come on. Smooth is fast. You can rest after it's over. Nice. Woo! Time. To all the critics who say you can't get in shape in 7 minutes, you're welcome to try. All right, recovery time. Deep breaths. Little quad stretch. Today, go for a swim, go for a walk. Are you eating your required target of protein? If you don't know how much protein you're supposed to be eating today for optimal performance based on your age, weight, and goals, message me and I will send you some help with your macros. You did amazing today. You won the day. We won the day. What a good workout. What do you think of the devil press? We got to bring these back. I appreciate you. Proud of you. See you tomorrow. Coach Dave out.